Hello, myself Sunita Gar. I am a science teacher in DAVM Public School, Sonipat. Today, I am going to talk about earthquakes. Since independence, 42 big or small earthquakes have occurred in India. Few of the more infamous ones are Kashmir 2005, where around 86,000 people lost their lives. Gujarat 2001, where around 15,000 people lost their lives. Maharashtra 1993, where around 10,000 people lost their lives. So, what is this earthquake which causes so much damage to life and property? An earthquake is a sudden tremor or movement of the earth's crust which lasts for a very short time. Now, what causes these earthquakes? Earthquakes happen due to the stress in the earth's crust. This stress can be caused due to volcanic eruptions or even man-made activities like drilling in the earth's crust, but most of the earthquakes happen due to the stress caused in the tectonic plates. Our earth crust is made up of 12 major tectonic plates that fits together like a huge jigsaw puzzle. These tectonic plates keep moving either towards or away or underneath each other due to the movement in the molten magma inside the earth. But sometimes boundaries of these tectonic plates gets interlocked due to friction, which now hinders this movement. Stress is developed in the interlocked area, which keeps on increasing as the tectonic plates is moving or at least trying to move. And when the joints cannot bear this increasing stress, it breaks suddenly, and tectonic plates are forced to let go. This sudden forced movement in the tectonic plates cause earthquakes. The point at which this stress is released is called the focus. Most often, this point is present deep below the surface of the earth and thus is difficult to map. So, its location is specified by a point on the earth's surface directly above the focus and is called as epicenter of the earthquake. The device used to measure the earthquake is called seismograph. The intensity of the earthquake is measured in terms of its magnitude. Most common scale which we use for this is Richter scale, which is named after the scientist Dr. Charles F. Richter. One of the interesting things about this scale is that it is not a linear scale and an increase of 2 in magnitude would mean 100 times more destructive energy. Science has improved a lot and now we can very accurately measure our weather, upcoming range or even cyclones. But still science is unable to predict an earthquake with any decent accuracy, and this is what makes an earthquake even more dangerous and preventive measures for an earthquake even more imperative. Few of the common preventive measures are: building in the earthquake prone zones are designed to withstand major tremors. Buildings in such zones have underground rooms or bunkers which are reinforced to handle extreme pressure in case the building collapses. Such buildings are equipped with on-hand emergency communication systems and disaster management supplies. Residents of such areas are given disaster management trainings and are made aware of escape routes and safe zones. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching the video.